ఒకప్పుడు గ్రాఫిక్స్ అన్నారు.
And reflects onto the second one, which in turn directs the light onto the third mirror. The third mirror then makes the subtle adjustments to trace the sunlight along the wall of the statue. And exactly at 9:15 a.m., the rays touch the feet of Telugu Talli.